Hi, I'm Gab, URIM's technical demonstrator. In this video, we will be discussing about URIM, which stands for Unified Remote Information Management. In this fast-paced world, we all know that managing resources efficiently is crucial for the success of any organization. URIM is designed to streamline the way we collect, organize, and utilize data for efficient training onboarding and workforce productivity. We want your user journey in URIM to be educated, equipped, and engaged. So, I will walk you through essential concepts and features, and we will explore how URIM innovates into one unified system so that we could help on your day-to-day operations. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how URIM can transform the way you manage information, drive efficiency, and support your company's long-term goals. And we will be sharing the screen of our own application. And this is from the Ulticon Builders Company. So I'm holding my phone, and this is the preface of our application. It shows here the test credentials if you prefer to use one of our credentials or if you prefer Microsoft Simple Sign-On. Once we sign in, you can see the response time as quick as possible. The icons that you're seeing are all customizable. Now, we're using the terms and conditions part for HR department so that you can track all your employees if they followed through the protocol of following the terms and conditions. It's in the please format, and at the back end area, you would also notice if they have accepted yes or no. Now, let's go to the Start Here button. Now, to this Start Here menu item, you'll see instructions, and these are for newly hired employees. You would put in all the process that you want them to follow for them to use the app wisely. Next is you'll follow through the manuals. And once we click on the company map manual, and once we zoom in, you could see that it's very smooth and very sleek. It also caters infographics as well as Excel. Let's go to the safety manual. Now, in this portion, we have a lot of documents, and if you're worrying about storage, URIM practically has unlimited storage because no other big companies that we were in partnership with had problems with our storage. Going back to our safety manual, once you click on search button, you could type safety, the word safety, click search, and then you would see how it's very convenient since it's gonna highlight in yellow all the word that it's under safety. As we click on the product manual, it shows here that it immediately directs to a link or like the website of Ulticon. We will go back to the app itself. There we go. Now, going back to the videos, you could put in multiple videos for training, for anything that you want that your employees to know. And the one that I'm showing is a sample company profile video that I've exported from YouTube. If you also want animated videos, it also shows here. Now, the next portion is the company links. As we've discussed earlier, we can embed links through this application. We could also embed all social media pages such as LinkedIn and Facebook. The next portion is our active project directory, or separate them to menu items. We have this menu items for project overviews, key contacts, financials, drawing, blueprints, progress reports. Once you click on the project overview, we have project summary. Once it's downloaded with multiple pages, you could also be shown into the app. So let's also click at project proposal for blueprints. It's very easy. Now, you could also include whichever documents. It's like a mini e-library. As discussed earlier, the use cases of Ulticon is offline forms for fleet management. After that, we have contacts. Let's say once you just click the phone, it's gonna be linked to your personal phone feature and messaging feature. Let's say for a sample announcement, we have the remote work policy. You could also choose to read and reply, and it would alert you if you are allowed to reply to the message. Going back to HR, you could also welcome new hires. Let's say, dear all, I'm excited to announce that Erwin Garcia, and then you can attach the face of this employee. They are also available in iOS and Android. And I hope you enjoyed my discussion today of our app. Allow URIM to help your company with business continuity and more. We offer 2 to 3 months free trial. For updates, follow us on our Facebook and LinkedIn pages, capital URIM, Asia Pacific, and start your journey with us today.